08进 video. Take out the equipment and accessory. Take out the toolkit. Find out the accessories and tool. Unscrew the screws. Remove the P. Align the accessory with the holes of the screw debit. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Use tools to tighten the screws. Disassembled handle. Put on the handle. Dusty to the correct position. Tighten the screws.
Find the accessory.
Align the accessory with the hole and screw it in. Repeat the same operation on the left. Then screw the screw under the front fork. Find the headlights and body. Align with these 3 holes. Tighten the screws. Connect the plug. Align arrow to arrow in design. Unscrew the screw. Unscrew the screws of the accessory. Unscrew the screws of the accessory. Install it at the front of the car. Paint these screws with tools. Remove the screws on the bottom. Install it on the handlebar and plug in it. Leave the front. Unscrew the nuts. Line the tire with the hood. Push the iron rod. Tighten the nut to fix one end. Use hood to reinforce the screws. Remove the cartridge screws. Fix the wire inside. Pin screw the screw. Remove the brake screws. Pull out above. Screw in the screw to fix it. Tighten the screws. Leave the rear of the car. Remove the screw from blade. Align the holes on both sides. Reinsert the screw and tighten it. Remove the wire from the pad. Remove the device. Fix the larger part of the iron ring at the footpad. Insert the washer. Then insert the wire. Repeat the same operation on the other side. Remove the right screw. Find the right side of the body. Align, screw in a screw. Fix the front of the car with screws. Find the nut inside that's scraped up. Repeat the same operation on the left side. Plug in all the power cords. Complete the installation of the whole vehicle. Finally, test the taillights and add lights and pure electricity.